It almost hit me. Like it flew above me. Now it's like going with my car. Look at it. It's so weird. What the fuck? Like he was coming towards me. Where is he? Over there somewhere. Such a weird bird. He's still on the road, look. What in the fuck's he doing? This bird went right towards me, now he's like flying with me. He almost hit my windshield. He's been flying the road, this whole road. Where are you going, bro? Where are you going, man? First you almost run into my windshield, then you turn around and you pass me. What are you doing, by the way? I gotta go. Oh, you're going to my house. Look at birds at my house now. I guess we got a pet.